So we're gonna play Range Quit Tommy. Yup, that's the name. I am having serious hiccups. If I choke, it's because of my hiccups, okay? I'm sorry. Oh God. This is easy. I'm not range quitting. Oh, okay. This is a spinner. I won't know if I'm blind. So this is ease, bro. This is serious ease. I'm gonna walk through all these. I just seriously do that. I kinda don't want to die. I'm doing also the most challenging part is I only get 3 lives. I didn't die like once. I mean, I can. This is jump pad, okay? I can only die 3 times. My character can die only 3 times. These are kind of lames. The stage where I will like that is kind of challenging. I'll show you then because like these are boring stages. So yeah, I am gonna skip all these. The Venice thing that is getting hard. Like I am lame. Yep, and then I'll meet you guys. Right? Bye. Oh, okay. So I just got to know that was a tutorial. That was not the start, Braji. I don't know. Okay. That's oh goodness gracious. They damage a lot. So these are not pretty hard. So I just meet you when these are hard. This was just I need to tell, but yeah. So yeah. Hello guys. Now by saying this is kind of like this is not hard, but this is a pro route. Like these are, I guess these are called wall hops. I don't know, but you need to like jump and flick at the same time. I am gonna take this, okay? Not like this, the thing I'm doing right now. Don't embarrass yourself, Suhab. Oh my God, I suck at this. But yeah. My first death. Okay, I have 2 left. No need to freak out. Like, arey pai. By the way, if I die 3 times and I end the video, bro. अरे भाई जी ये कर रहे तुम? Goodness. Oh, nuke. Nah, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not cool, go. Am I, huh? Like, I want this. This is not my favorite game. Rivals and Play Ball is my favorite game. Guys, I want to like hire a editor. Yeah, and if you want to do the job, the money and stuff, we'll do that. Yeah, and I will, yeah. I'm being serious. I'm not joking. Can I wall hop this thing? Nope, we can't. Huh, I'll go in the front. Oh, let me see. They will not disappear. Like camera like this, you can know if they are disappearing or not. You can check that. It's a tip. Yeah, boy. And this ice just keep on jumping. That's all advice. अरे भाई अरे भाई अरे भाई 360s. Huh? Second life, are you killing me? Are you kidding me? Sorry. Okay. I was doing that for fun. Then I died. Holy, I'm a jerk. Okay, maybe not. I do daddy jokes. No disrespect to daddy. Okay. Last stage of green. Keep on going. Okay, sir. I'm bumping in them for fun, and I'm gonna really die. My character will die. Sorry, I'll not die in real life. There's a fly, bro. This it out. Okay. Only 70. Only 70% players can make it without range quitting. Oh, yellow. Make it fast. Chalo bhai. I was thinking, can you wall up this? No, bro, I'm not gonna take the risk. Come on. This video. Yeah, what? Are you kidding me? I already got 3, bro. I was joking around and I just suddenly. Oh, brother. I'm not raging right now. I was doing that for fun and I died. The video ends like itself. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's skip. Hey! I just got it. Okay. Bye.